All right. What's going on? Hi. Hello. 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 So you can see right here. I made like 31, 45, 31.50, close to 3,200 bucks. This is a screenshot from my phone because I turned my broker off here. It was much easier just to use from my phone. Anyway, so I'm recording this video just to showcase to you guys, and this is for mastermind only. Just a quick little breakdown for the day, the trades that I took, the reasoning of my entries if you were not on the voice with me, so you can learn a little bit in the psychology behind my trades. So if you're not trading, if you have work or something, so you can rewatch this video later, and will be in the chat. I'll upload it, so you can whenever you can rewatch it. Or if you're only able to hear me. You're only able to hear me because I fucking uploaded it. So these were the trades that we took today. So the first trade that I took was, and we all took actually, the first trade that we took was SPY gapping up, Amazon gapping higher, and these PPI numbers came out and we gapped up really insane. So the big condition that I have for my entry is the last 5 minute candle should be green after the big gap up. The last 5 minute candle should be green, and now we are breaking pre-market high. The moment we failed pre-market high, I went short here. I got in some puts, and my initial profit target was like the trend. This is how the trends are formed, higher highs. My initial profit target was somewhere around here, and when we failed this, next profit target got out here, and the next one was around this price point of actually 101.2. Yeah, no, 101.2 was my need, and like the exact where I exited because I had a level on my charts, and I try not to think when I have levels. And I posted the video in the pre-market for you guys, where you can see that I had this level 101.2. So that was the reason why I entered my Amazon puts, because of the reversal trade that I taught you guys in the mastermind as well. I think it's a price action class where prices gapped higher on the day, and the big fucking green candles, big gap up, where all the retail is entering right here. This is where we went short, and we got the move lower. Alright, so this was the first trade on Amazon. Then the second trade that we took was I think it was Tesla. Yeah, it was Tesla. So this trade on Tesla was, this is how it went. So again, big gap up, fat gap up, but we didn't see in the first 5 minutes, so that was not the reason for my reversal. The reason why I watched the reversal was we went from 196.5, Tesla went from 196.5 to straight 200, and trying to break the 200 without seeing any sort of consolidation. There's no consolidation. Tried to break the 200 straight away. What did I tell you guys? There's only a couple types of breakouts that works. One is that consolidate like this. Other one is that consolidate like a flag. And the next one is that consolidates on the level. I never ever trade this because it hardly works straight away. And that was the reason why I entered my puts when I saw this level. I think I'll go on a 1 minute chart and I'll be able to break down much better. So this is how it worked. This is how it went. So our candle came straight down, and then the highs were marked. The stop loss was 200.55 because we started rejecting and we broke below the 200 on the next candle. You see this right here? So this is the stop loss. And the profit targets I'll show you on the 5 minute chart. So this was the reason why I entered, because a big move is moving. We went from 196 to all the way to 200, and we're trying to break without seeing any sort of consolidation, right? We're trying to break without seeing any sort of consolidation. So this is where my entry was. This is where my stop loss was, right here, and we exited around these areas. So this was where my exit was initially at the 80 MA. The next one was around those VWAPs. The mistake that I made, I should have bought some calls because of the VWAP right here. I should have sold. I just exited my puts. I should have gone and bought some calls. I think that would have made me another 1,000 or 2,000. But that was a mistake that I made where in the real time my brain just didn't work. But we had Bayram. He got this whole fucking move, so at least somebody made money from the chat. So this was my trade on Tesla. The third trade that we took was AMD buying AMD. AMD trade was fucking beautiful, man. So we had the 78 level, and I told you guys in the pre-market as well that I'll be watching the 78 mark. So what happened? I moved straight, broke out, right? Came down to retest, bounced, and had a confluence with the with 80 MA on a 5-minute chart. Had a confluence where 78 critical level was sitting with 80 MA. Also had the ORB sitting at the bottom. Pretty much simple trade, man. The simple trade was because prices went higher, broke, came down, retest, and went higher. And we exited exactly at our next critical level, 79, and it was all on the voice. Everybody printed, like freaking everybody printed. Look at these gains. Look at these gains. Rafa 500, 85, 250, 61. What about Mastermind? 2 students. Let's see, gains. Bang, 31 bucks, 3%, 33.80. Let's go. Beautiful. Everybody printed, and I know half of the people haven't even posted the P&L. Yeah. Everyone printed fucking. It was just so good. It was so good. It was so good, and we had a little bit of fun in the chat as well. You know, so why not? But anyway, I hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know. Just let me know. Tag me in the chat. Let me know if it was helpful. If not, let me know that as well. I'll try to fix and make this better. So you know, the only way I'm gonna improve in making videos is by the feedback again, right? So let me know if it was helpful. Alright, thank you guys. See you guys later. See you guys tomorrow on The Voice. Bye.